So what if I told you there was one simple activity that could transform your health, boost your mood, and add years to your life? And it's completely free and requires no equipment. Well, today we're diving into the top 10 reasons why you should start walking every single day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we're always sharing tips to help you live your healthiest life. Now, today's topic is something that's really dear to my heart, walking. It's something I use for myself and my clients, and I'm lucky enough to walk with two awesome dogs and sometimes my wife. So let's get into it. I'm going to give you my top 10 reasons why I think you should be walking. Well, number 10, it does burn calories and supports weight management. There's something called NEAT, which is non-exercise activity thermogenesis. These are the things that you're doing outside of your workouts. Walking burns approximately 300 to 400 calories per hour, depending on your weight and pace. What I love about walking is it doesn't require an intense recovery period. So it's something that you can do every day. All you need is a nice pair of shoes and a halfway decent day, and get out and get some sunshine. Number 9, walking can strengthen your heart and reduce your disease risk. Walking for just 30 minutes daily can help reduce disease risk by 35%. Regular walking can also lower blood sugar and increase circulation throughout the body. Number 8, it can boost mental health and reduce stress. Walking releases endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Studies show that walking daily can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by as much as 25%. The nice thing about it is it gives you this sort of mental break, a time to sort of be present and get away from screen time, which is one reason why I don't like to bring my phone on daily walks as well. And so just a great way, it's almost like a movement meditation. Number 7, improves sleep quality. I definitely see this with myself. Getting out early in the morning when the sun is rising helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which allows you to get more deeper sleep and restorative sleep. Another big reason to walk, number 6, would be to strengthen your bones. Walking is weight-bearing exercise, not too hard on the body, but just enough to help increase bone density, strengthening your legs, your glutes, and your core muscles. Also, it can improve balance and coordination, reducing fall risk as you age. Number 5, something that I've been more cognitive of over the last 5 to 10 years is increasing my brain function and memory. And one thing I'm doing is playing an instrument. Now, I know that has nothing to do with walking, but if you can challenge the brain in many different ways, walking is one way, learning a new instrument or new language is another way. Studies show that regular walkers have a better memory and focus, and it may help reduce dementia and Alzheimer's risk. Number 4 is helping to boost your immune system. Moderate exercise like walking can strengthen your immune response, and it's been shown that regular walkers get sick less often and can recover faster. Also, walking increases the production of antibodies and white blood cells. It flushes out bacteria out of the lungs and your airways. Number 3 is increasing energy levels. I know a lot of people like to rely on caffeine to help improve energy throughout the day. But I find that walking helps a ton with my energy levels throughout the day to get over that afternoon slump without having a huge crash. So I find it's more effective than caffeine for combating afternoon fatigue. Number 2 is promoting longevity. Now, studies have shown that daily walking can add 3 to 7 years to your life expectancy. I think a big reason for this is just the cascading effects that you get from walking, being outside, breathing fresh air, getting away from screens, lowering stress levels. These all sort of tie together, and I can see why it could help with longevity. Number 1, and probably my favorite reason, it's free, accessible, and sustainable for a long period of time. No gym memberships, no equipment, no special clothing needed. You can walk anywhere, anytime, regardless of the weather. So all the excuses are thrown out the window. It's low impact and suitable for many fitness levels. And it's one thing you can definitely incorporate into your daily routine. One other bonus tip is I love walking after I have my meals. So I strategically add my walks in after I have my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So what I would say is just start slowly. If you're not used to walking, aim for about 10 to 15 minutes a day, and then work yourself up to perhaps a 20 to 30, even a 45-minute walk throughout the day. Walk at a pace where you can still hold a conversation, and try to walk around the same time every day just to help build a habit. But any time is better than no time. So there you have it, 10 incredible reasons to start walking on a daily basis. Your body and mind will thank you. What's your favorite reason from this list? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video motivated you to start walking, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day and get out there and go for a walk.